no go gree, we no go gree. Our result na him we want. We no go gree, we no go gree. Our result na him we want.
We are here today to send a message that impunity on behalf of INEC will no longer be tolerated. Yes. INEC cannot be rigging election in this country, and we, the people that are suffering, will be looking them in the eye. In Etsako West, there are two constituencies, Constituency 1 and Constituency 2. And there are designated places for collation of the results of these two constituencies. In this very last election they did on March 11, all these things were flouted. Impunity was given reign, and in fact, APC came out with thugs and with military supporters to take over all the collation centers. In each of the collation centers, guns were shot, and the military people were driving people to make sure they take away the vote and take away the uncollated result to the INEC headquarters. Do you vote in Edo State and go to collect result in Delta State? No. When you vote in Edo State, you collect result in Edo State. So you must collect constituency 2 result in J2, collect constituency 1 result in constituency 1 and 2. There were obvious, deliberate action to make that election not to work. INEC has been colluding with the opposition party, that is APC, to ensure that whatever we did in that election, we are in the favor of APC. Despite the fact that all of us voted for PDP. Look at the people behind us. They are angry. They are angry. They want a change of this result. And we want the truth from INEC today. Let them declare that Dr. Felix Iyalome and Princess Omoregbe Ose they are the legitimate people that are elected to represent us in Etsako West.
We are here for a peaceful protest over the House of Assembly election that took place last Saturday. That was rigged by some thugs in Etsako West, both constituency, and the thugs were led by Jared Tenebe, and Oshiomhole, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole. I was beaten up, prevented of entry as the coalition officer of our party in Constituency 2. And those thugs were led by Jared Tenebe. Some of those boys, I know them, and they were numbers of hundreds. More than 300 thugs were on me. It was by the help of the Nigerian army that I was able to escape in that place.
The grievances that we are having today is as a result of the way and manner that Adams Oshiomhole, Jared Tenebe are trying to shortchange the people's will in Etsako West Constituency 1 and Constituency 2. The results were collated from each of the unit, and from what we have that has been collated, PDP won in every 5 units of Constituency 2 and all the Club 3 and Edo Auchi. So we cannot allow anybody whatsoever. The first thing that they should know is that INEC, the office that we are here today, they created collating centers in every constituency. And J2 was the constituency head right from 1999, created as a collating center for Uzairwe, for constituency 2, comprised of 4 wards from Uzairwe and 1 ward from Ibie. So we are surprised because they are aware that when we defeated them in this election, they went straight to Auchi, the headquarters of Etsako, where they said that's going to be the collating center of Etsako West Constituency 2. We resisted, and we will continue to resist it the way and manner they have gone about it. Jared Tenebe, they should know we are peace-loving people. They don't have monopoly of violence. Because if the people has resolved that, it is our time that we have resolved that they can no longer. You can look at, you see the people all the way from Etsako West and Donut. You can see the crowd. That's to tell you that they are asking for their mandate, and the mandate must be restored. We need that, and that is why we are here today.
On that fateful day, in the evening, I was attacked at the INEC office. Yes. I was attacked at the INEC office. Secondly, by the time the CP election assisted them to take the result of Constituency 2 to Constituency 1, I decided to go there were not allowed. They were aided by the police, and I was brutally attacked again. Let it be on record that is the captain of the Nigerian Army who now called for his vehicle to come. That was how the army rescued me. That is how bad it was. And let me say this, if you go on the media, while they were announcing the result, you will see that the EO and the man who announced the result, they were very, very terrified. And they were under duress. For us, this is unacceptable. We want to appeal, sir, because Etsako West, we are peace-loving people. And as the chief security officer of the local government, I decided to put a restraint on our people so that there will be no life lost on that day, even though I was attacked. We have come here to register our displeasure, our disappointment, and the ill manner we were being treated. And these people were aided by the INEC. Ordinarily, we expected that those results should have been cancelled, or otherwise, the manually collated result would have been voided while they go to the IREV and use the result that were uploaded by your staffs. Because when there is compromise, when you detect there is compromise, you go to the IREV result to use. We have come peacefully, sir, to register our constituents' displeasure over this issue. And to say that we want to leave you as the umpire to please look into our petition, to look into our prayers, and to, within a short period, get back to us so that the right decision will be taken. This is our appeal. The results are unacceptable to us, and we want to ensure that our mandate is given back to us.
Restore our mandate.
For constituency 1, Oshiomhole, and constituency 2, Dr. Felix Iyalome. They both won the election.
Doing a peaceful protest.
We say go back.
It is allowed anywhere, everywhere. Today we are here from far Edo North. I sympathize with you for coming all the way from Etsako West, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday we had only one constituency that protested. Today we have two constituencies that are protesting here. Now, what the law says is that whatever the returning officer has declared, they can only be reviewed by the commission. The commission is INEC in Abuja, or a tribunal. You have your facts. We have the card reader, we have the beavers that we use, and the IREF that results were uploaded. We'll look into all this. We are going to send, because I know you have a petition, we are going to send this petition to INEC headquarters for urgent attention. If you have clearly written, you have made your submission based on what you have explained to us, and it is clear, of course, INEC headquarters has the right to take a decision within 7 days. It is clearly stated in the Electoral Act. So your coming is timely. We are going to receive your petition and we send it to INEC headquarters. As a commission here, we are not for any political party. We are not for any political party. Returning officers came from the University of Benin. Returning officers came from University of Benin. Even most of the collation officers came from University of Benin. We recruit them, but they are not purely INEC staff as in INEC staff. So many things happen. But when things like that happen, the people that are affected, it is left for them to protest, it is left for them to petition, as it is done everywhere. Who is there?